Hi there, I'm Gary van Heerden. I'm that good looking guy sitting on that bench. So do you want to become a developer in less than a week? The internet has huge opportunities, and believe it or not, that includes us South Africans as well. Now, new global insights for the digital in 2019, and the digital is a very trusted source of stats and digital news. Their report shows that internet is consistently accelerating at a rapid pace. More than 360 million people came online for the first time in 2018. That is huge. And new users are now growing at a rate of more than 11 per second, or 1 million new users each day. And on the social media side, users grew by 3.5 billion users in 2019, driving global penetration to 45%. Now that's big, just speaking about the internet. So the fact is, we're still in the very early stages of the internet. And the truth is, the internet is here to stay. Also, since the COVID-19 outbreak, the internet has seen another spike in internet usage as more and more people now rely on the web. Businesses right now are shifting to respond to customer needs as the market changes, and there's been different ways of the market changing, as in delivery, transportation, people not wanting to go into the shops and they'd rather be online. That's huge. And now more than ever is a really excellent time to look into a career as a web developer. So, introducing to you Webology. And Webology is your kickstart into this exciting skill. Being a web developer opens up a whole new window of different opportunities. So you could build professional websites for people or different businesses. You can join a corporate company and look after their website for them. You can build your own internet business and monetize. And there are many ways to do that, which we'll go through in the course. And you can work from home. So web developer is a very sought after position worldwide, okay, and it's a very much in demand position, and you have loads of opportunity to be creative. So look over my shoulder as we run through my step-by-step training videos. I cover everything from domain registration to the website build, and then we chat about different business ideas while we build 2 advanced websites together in the module 4. And as I share my 15 years web building experience with you, I also want to show you some really nice secret tricks and tools that I've learned along the way. And yes, and by the way, there's no coding involved. So who is this course for? Well, definitely the school leaver who's looking into a career online. Maybe someone who loves the techie stuff, they like to be creative, and they can see the huge opportunities and potential of the internet. Someone who just wants to change their career, find something that is more stable in the future. If you think about all the many job functions are now becoming redundant as technology now takes its place. There's the entrepreneur looking to create an online income, and even if they want to do it part-time. And of course there's the business owner who would rather have complete control over their business website, and they can build their own website at a fraction of the cost what they'll be charged to actually have the website built for them. And the hobbyist who wants to take their passion to a new level. And then maybe you're just one of those people who love to have knowledge and you want to save this knowledge for another day. The course, okay, so Webology course is divided into 4 modules. Module 1 is, of course, the introduction. Module 2 is what I call the structure of things, and that includes domains, hosting, and the control panel. Module 3 is actually building the website. This is the big one, so it covers the registration processes, building the website, which includes the themes, plugins, pages, menus, forms, widgets, keywords, and SEO, security, web graphics, video creation, and SSL. And then we have module 4, and that's when we discuss a few business ideas online, and then we also build an advertising and classifieds website and an events website. And on the way I offer some awesome gifts for you, as in graphic images, video tracks, and some great tools that you'll be able to use as you need them. Then after certain modules, there's a short quiz, basically known as gamification, to test your knowledge. And then once you pass, you can move on to the next module, and this will ensure that you know your work. Not to worry, they're simple multi-choice questions. You just make sure you know all your stuff before you continue. You'll also earn awards as you progress and complete certain tasks, and then also a certificate on course completion. So join me now, become part of this World Wide Web as a website developer. Look below, see the details below, click on the Join Now button and become a master student. And from there, guys, the sky is the limit. And never forget, knowledge is power. Join us below and I will see you on the inside.